This is Mark from grouptraders.com. I just wanted to show you a setup that we often use, which is quite useful. This is a 5-minute chart of the pound dollar this morning, the 24th of July. We see here in the early morning there's quite a lot of consolidation around here, and then at some point we get a breakdown here. It breaks the bottom of the Bollinger Band. My Bollinger Band's settings are at 14. The yellow one is a standard deviation 1, and the white one is a standard deviation 2. The red moving average here is the 10 EMA. Anyway, so we have a breakdown. It kicks the bottom Bollinger Band down, and then over the next 5 minutes or so it retraces back to standard deviation 1 and even touches the 10 EMA. At this point here we go short at 99.66. Put our stop loss at the top of the SD1 Bollinger Band around 99.82. So our risk here is 16 pips. Okay, it does a bit of consolidation along the line here, and then eventually it drops down here. Our exit will be when we get a close above the 10 EMA, or when we hit a significant support or resistance level, which obviously is S1 over here, 99.20. So this is, a small and quite an easy trade. Of course, like all trades, it doesn't always work, but it is a pretty high probability trade. Whatever you do though, don't buy the breakout, because they're often false. Let it retrace, because if you let it retrace, your stop loss is a lot smaller than you would require if you took the breakout here. You'd probably want to, if you got in at 55 and put your stop loss, say, at the top Bollinger Band, we're looking at quite a wide stop loss. So here our stop loss was 16 pips. I knew that S1 was down here, and that was my target. So it's a nice and easy trade for some 43 pips. The price here bid, so I closed it at 24. Anyway, this is the setup. Once again, the Bollinger Bands are 14 periods, one with standard deviation 1, one with standard deviation 2, and I used the 10 EMA to follow the trade. Also, if you look at my MACD settings, they were pretty much supporting, as were the stochastics and the ultimate oscillator. So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks and bye.